Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then click on this switcher next to it to operate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!